This is a $50 no deposit bonus that you can start your Forex journey with. Welcome back to this channel. This is Favour Kings, and I am back again with another wonderful opportunity for you to start your Forex journey without having to deposit any money of your own. I know it's been a while, and I promise you guys that I am back fully. I just had to take a short break from dropping no deposit bonus that you can start trading with, but now I am back. So do well to like this video, share it with people that you feel might need it, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel because I'll be dropping updates back to back for the next 30 days for you guys. So as you can see on the screen, it shows right here that you can claim this bonus without having to deposit any money of your own because it says no deposit required right here. Alright, so to get the link to this platform right here, all you have to do is to check the description. You find a link to my Telegram channel right there. Click on the link. It is going to direct you to my Telegram, and right in my Telegram is where you find the link to this platform. Alright, so the steps to claim this bonus is very simple. After clicking on the link to get this bonus, it's going to direct you to their website right here. And after getting to your website, just click on this three menu button right here and click on Promotions and click on NDB Global, which means no deposit bonus global. Right, so it's going to take you right here, and all you have to do right here is to click on Register Now. Right, so after clicking on Register Now, it's going to direct you to somewhere like this, and after getting here, you know the drill. Input the important details and agree to these terms. After agreeing to these terms, then you click on Continue right here. So after clicking on Continue, it's going to direct you to the next stage. So after clicking on Continue, it's going to direct you right here where you have to confirm. So you just have to do is to check your email and input the pin you got from your email you made right here. So this is it showing on the screen, the code I got from them. So just copy it from here and head over straight back to their website and paste it on their page. All right, so you paste it right here and then you click on Continue. So after clicking on Continue, it is going to take you right here, as you can see showing on the screen. Get your $50 non-deposit bonus, no deposit required, available globally for all new clients, which means everybody can be able to get this bonus. So after being able to register an account with them, all you have to do is to verify your profile, as you can see right here. So to verify your profile is simple. Just upload your ID and your proof of address. Right, so to verify, just click on Upload right here. All right, and you select what you want to upload. Either you want to upload your ID or proof of address, select anyone, then your document number, select type. You can either use passport or national ID, your country of residence where when you did your ID, then you upload it right here, front and back. And after doing that, then you click on Upload right here, and after that, then you come back to upload your proof of address right here. So you select the type. You can either use your bank statement, bill, utilities, driver's license, and all. So you know the drill. Upload it right here and then click on Upload. So after uploading your ID, if you want to know if you have been verified, it is going to show right here. If you have been verified, your ID, it will mark yes, and this is also going to mark yes. So after doing all of this, then all you have to do is to get the bonus is to come to their home page right here, and then you click on this three menu right here, and then you click on Account right here. So you click on Open Live Account. After that, then you click on Select right here. So right here is going to show you, it's going to pop up with $50 no deposit bonus. It is going to pop up right here. So you select the account and then you click on Continue. So after creating the account, they are going to send you the login details to your MD5 right to your Gmail, and it's also going to display right here. Right, so after displaying right here, then you can head over straight to your MT5 and log in. Alright, so I'm making this video right now without being verified, so that by the time I'm being verified, they would have closed this bonus. So I'm trying to show you guys before they close this bonus. So watch this video as soon as possible and do exactly what I told you. So I will drop in more updates concerning this bonus after I've been verified. I will show you guys. that this bonus is very legit. Don't sleep on this and rush to do this before it ends now. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I promise you guys I'll be dropping updates back to back on how you can make money without having to deposit any money of your own. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you so very much for watching, and have a nice day.